I received this Schlage smart lock today, and it was supposed to be a Schlage Encode Plus with Wi-Fi and home key support, but obviously I've got the wrong item. I got the normal Wi-Fi one, no home key support. As you can see on the box, it says Schlage BE499W cam with Silicon Encode Plus Wi-Fi Deadbolt with home key support. Then when you spin the box around, it says it's a basic smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. That's what I received today, but I paid for the home key support for this one. Thank you, Amazon.
Well, welcome to my brand new Schlage lock that's not working. As you can see, batteries are good to go. Tested them with my voltmeter, getting 6 volts. When I insert it, nothing. Nothing. Just got it 1 month ago.